Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use the onX Offroad app. So if you're new to onX Offroad and want to get the most out of it, then just follow along. So first you need to download the onX Offroad app and sign in or create your account. Then allow the app to access your location so it can show where you are on the map. And from the main map screen, you can explore nearby off-road trails, public lands, trail ratings, and points of interest. Then use the search tool to find specific trails, parks, campgrounds, or destinations. You can tap any trail to view information such as difficulty level, length, elevation changes, and use proper photos if available. The app also lets you create waypoints, build routes, record your tracks, and save favorite location. Then before heading into areas with limited signal, you can download offline maps so you can continue navigating without an internet connection. Then spend some time exploring the different map layers to find the information that's most useful for your trip. So that was how to use the onX Offroad app. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.